It's a great honor for us to have amongst us the very distinguished President of Nanyang Technological University and the Distinguished University Professor at the GIIS Leadership Lecture Series being held at the GIIS SMART Campus in Singapore today.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much for inviting me. It's a real pleasure and a privilege to have the opportunity to meet all of you and to spend a few minutes discussing some topics of mutual interest, especially you as future leaders will face in the years to come.